Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another season, and another season means another FabFitFun unboxing. This is for the Spring Box 2022, which is just freaking crazy as when I said the Winter Box of 2021. Time is an illusion. So we're gonna unbox this box today. I'm gonna give you the rundown on FabFitFun. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly/seasonal subscription box. It comes with, I think, like 8 or 9 items in the box, depending on if you get a bundle at the end or not. And you have the option of paying per box or annually. You get a little discount if you pay annually. I think it's $55 per box now seasonally, and then $200 annually. In addition to the actual physical box, they also do have a bunch of sales going on. They have an add-ons event, which is a bunch of products that you can choose from to add to your box at discounted rates. They always have some kind of discount codes with brands, and they have other sale events. It feels like when you think the season's over, they hit you with that sale, and they have great stuff in these sales. Like, I have gotten period cups from these sales. I've gotten nail polish, makeup, skincare, hair care, the whole nine. They even have rugs and like lamps. Pretty much anything you could imagine, FabFitFun has as an add-on. So I'm actually really excited for this box because after my last unboxing video, FabFitFun reached out to me and gave me a year of FabFitFun on them. And also sent me and my mom flowers, and I'm not gonna lie, like, that made me super emotional. I cried for like 25-30 minutes. It was a really low time mentally. Like, my mental health was really struggling, and it was like, it was so sweet to see a brand like care about their people so much and like watch my video all the way through. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate them. And so I'm like even more excited to talk about this box because I have all the annual perks, so I can tell you about the annual perks. So one of the annual perks is you get the box earlier. You also get to pick add-ons and customization earlier, and you get to customize your entire box. So I was able to customize this entire box, and I will show you all of the choices that I picked. I only got one thing from add-ons, and I get it pretty much every time there's an add-on. It's this London Town glass nail file. I did just cut all my nails short because I have been rock climbing with my partner. We've been doing that as exercise. So I need to keep them short, but I feel like a glass nail file just works a little different in like a good way. So I buy them every single time they're on add-ons. So let's just get into the box and I'll show you guys what I got. So as always, FabFitFun comes with a bunch of things. So we get a HelloFresh coupon. We get some stickers. I love stickers. And we get a little discount code for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I'll put it in my description below in case you guys want to sign up. Getting $15 off your box is pretty substantial, and you know, the value of the box is always really high for what you pay. And then they give us this magazine. I don't have all the products for all the customizations, but I'm going to go through what I customized per what thing. So the first in customization 1, I have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Lacquer. Lip Luminizer and Plumper, and they gave us 2. So I have the shades Hot Cherry and Lemon Lava. Now when I had picked this, Lemon Lava had just been revealed as like a new shade, which was super interesting. And this is the red one. Beautiful. And let me get to this Lemon Lava, which is pretty much clear, but it has a bunch of golden glitters. I have never used a lip plumper before. I'm not gonna lie, they kind of make me a little nervous because like just how much is the plumping? Is the plumping too much? Like, I hear the Too Faced ones are like super intense. So I was nervous. I've always been nervous to try a lip plumper. But since it's in this box, you know, why not? This is why I love getting boxes like this. I get to try out things that I typically wouldn't go out and buy myself. So these 2 retail for $48 for the pair, which would be $14 each. And that's math. Alright, the next thing I customized, I'm really excited for this one. It is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I tried Pharmacy first through BoxyCharm, and I really loved their products, but this one, I can't open it. Ah! Oh no, I broke a nail. Well, good thing I got the nail file, huh? Let me just file this puppy down. And that's on FabFitFun saving my day. right now. I think I'm just gonna have to rip this. Okay, I got it. So this packaging for pharmacy, they're always super cute. And it is this little pot. And then this I hear is magnetic. So you don't have to dip your finger in. When I had longer nails, I was like, wow, half the product's getting stuck in my fingernails. But then you have a spatula. This has a lot of great ingredients in it. I watched Jen Love's review talk about this because she got her box before I did. And she said that it has like a bunch of, oh wow, super great ingredients. It smells great. I don't feel like the smell will linger. But the only thing is you should not wear this around your dog or let your dog lick your face because it has xylitol in it and that is dangerous to dogs. So I will not be wearing this around Yoshi. If you guys don't know who Yoshi is, I'm gonna put a picture of her right here. She's the love of my life and she is my little daughter. So I'm super excited to try this. This retailed for $45. Customization 3. I'm gonna be real with you guys. The customizations didn't thrill me this box. So I struggled to find something in customization 3 that I genuinely wanted. But one thing that I could always use more of is earrings. So I got these Kate Spade earrings. They are like glittery and confetti-y. And I just thought, you know, it's always nice to have earrings. It says they're in the shade Opal and they retail for $32 US. As it says on the back here, it is a small square stud earrings, opal glitter. I love opal. I don't mind glitter. And these are actually really comfortable in your ears. I have 2 other earrings from Kate Spade that I got from this subscription box. And I wear them quite often. They come with a little Kate Spade bag. So that is one I picked. Like I said, there wasn't a super great, personally I think, customization for that one. I struggled to find something that I really enjoyed. And the same is for the next customization, number 4. So I was at a loss. I didn't know what I wanted. There was a bunch of hair products and then there was a Josie Maran body butter oil thing. And I didn't know what to pick. So I hit surprise me and they gave me this. This is the It's a 10 Leave-In Miracle product. So pretty much you towel dry your hair, you spray this in it. It's like a leave-in conditioner. So I've been dabbling in my hair, as you guys all know. So it's not, I would like to try a new brand, a new product. So I'm pretty excited about that. But like I said, none of the customizations really thrilled me on that. I also don't have a price on that because I did let them surprise me, so it doesn't say on my thing, it just says surprise me. Okay, so the next thing that I customized, again, I had a hard time picking. I didn't feel like the customization options were super great this season, but my partner and I like doing face masks, so I decided to get this one from Earth Harbor. This is the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask with red seaweed and fruit enzymes. This retails for $40. A Purple Paradise, this powerful fast-acting AHA/BHA gel mask naturally resurfaces, cools, hydrates, and firms skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe juice leaf to reveal greater clarity, look of improved skin texture and tone, and a more youthful glow. Apply to clean skin, leave on 3 minutes, rinse. And you can use 1 to 3 times daily as needed. So it seems like it won't be too harsh. Let me see how this smells. Oh, this smells decadent. That smells really, really good. So the last option I got to customize because I'm an annual member, but monthly members or seasonal members do not get to customize. So there are a few options. They have some bundles and then they have some singular products. And again, I was kind of like, I struggled to find customization options in this, minus the first 2. Like I knew I wanted the Fenty lip plumpers and then the Pharmacy moisturizer, but I struggled for the rest of them. So I ended up getting this blush from Hourglass. This is the Strobe Lighting Blush in Incandescent Electra. It looks like this. What I love about Hourglass blushes is they're very sheer. They're very buildable, so you cannot physically add too much blush to your face. So if you don't like a lot of blushes, this is a great one to start out with. This does retail for $43, so it's quite an expensive blush. And it does look like it's going to be a nice bright coral, which is great because actually I have on a like super bright bubblegum pink blush right now and it just looks so pretty on the skin. So I've been kind of into the more brighter blushes. I feel like they have a lot to offer, and that was what I felt I would use the most out of this box. So let me quickly total up this box and then we'll chat. Okay, so I googled how much this was and it looks like it's about $30. Some places it's 15, some places it's 30, so I don't know, but I just took the bigger price of 30. And I feel like, I know it's a 10 is more expensive, so I feel like that's on brand. So the total for my box, So the total for my box for this month was $238, which is great because for an annual subscription, you pay $200 for the year, which means this box paid off the rest of my other boxes. So how do I feel about this box in general? As I stated before, it was really tough for me to find customization items that I was excited about. I feel like the curation was a little off this time, which is atypical for FabFitFun. I've been getting them for a year now, and I've been really excited and happy with all of the products every time. And not to say that I'm not excited about these products, but I wish I just had a bit more opportunity to choose something a little different. I feel like it's worth it because I got to try these Fenty Beauty lip plumpers and also this Pharmacy. Like, this for me makes the box. Everything else is an extra, so I am really excited about this Hourglass blush. I do really like Hourglass. I've been getting into blushes, so I'm excited about that too, but there are 3 products here that I'm kind of like, take it or leave it. So I hope that for the summer box, it is different. I feel like it will be. FabFitFun doesn't typically have like this slump that I know I feel, and I know Jen Loves Review felt the same way about her customization options, but regardless, I'm very excited. I'm very happy. This did make my day. It came on Valentine's Day, so it was like a gift to myself, and I'm really excited for this 10 ways to kickstart your happy. Because I really want to practice mindfulness this year. You know, I really want to continue on my mental health journey and just get better and better and better. And I think that, you know, it's not taught how to do that. We don't go out of school knowing how to like take care of our mental health. And in a society that tells us to burn it to the ground for our career, it's tough. It's tough. So I'm excited to go through this. I'm excited to do some of those activities. So yeah, that's everything. That's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching my FabFitFun unboxing. Did you get FabFitFun this season? What are your customization options like, and how did you feel about the box's curation in general? I would love to hear your thoughts below. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.